So in this video, you'll learn how to transfer files from your Samsung Galaxy A36 to your external hard disk. So the first step is to open the Files app on your phone. And then from here, you need to choose the files that you want to transfer. So you can choose to get them from the internal storage folder, or you can just come to the different categories you have available, select one and choose your files from there. So for example, I can come to images, and then select one file, and then choose multiple if you want to transfer. And so once you've selected the file or files that you wish to transfer, choose your method. You have the option to move or to copy. So select the one you would prefer to use. And then from here, tap on USB storage. So currently my external hard disk is split into two parts, storage 1 and storage 2. So again, choose, if you have that also, just choose which USB storage you would prefer to transfer to. However, if it's still in one piece, so it's not split into two parts, then you can just select USB storage 1. And so once you've chosen your USB storage, you also want to go and choose the file location that you're going to save it in. So you can choose to save it just directly like that. You can choose to use one of the folders that you have on the storage, or you can choose to create your own folder. Once you've made your choice, just tap on copy or move here to finish the process. Once they've been transferred completely, then all you need to do is just navigate back to the main files page, and then from here you want to come to your USB storage and select it, and then look for the files that you've just transferred currently. You should see them, you should be able to recognize them because they have red dots next to the file to show that it's just been transferred right now. And so that's how you can transfer files from your Galaxy A36 to your external hard disk. If you have any questions or comments about this transfer process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.